It's time once again for The Law and You, featuring the area's premier attorneys. Today we have Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli with us. Great to see you guys in the new year.
Absolutely. We're ready to kick this year off right.
Yes, 2019 on the right foot, and we're helping people who have legal questions. So let's get to that viewer-submitted questions today. This one's coming from Mark in Kingston. Mark says, I got a DUI on New Year's Eve. It was my first DUI. My BAC was 0.09 when my blood was taken hours later. Should I fight this? What do you have to say for Mark here?
Well, you know, Mark, you could have what's called a relation-backed defense, on this, but, being that it's your first DUI, you're barely over the legal limit, I would have to caution you about fighting it, because obviously if you fight it and you lose, I mean, the consequences are really devastating. Most likely, if it's your first DUI, he's got no priors. I mean, you're probably going to be ARD.
Fine?
Yeah, ARD eligible, and Greg will tell you what ARD means. But what do you think? I mean, it's kind of.
I think he's crazy to fight it.
Yeah, crazy to fight it.
If you never had an ARD, then it makes sense to just go forward, fill out the paperwork, get into the program that's run by the DA's office. The good thing with the ARD is it gets expunged. If you fight it and lose, that's going to be on your record forever. We're assuming you're not going to get another DUI, right? So that would make sense. That's what the ARD program is for, first-time offenders who have a first-time problem. I would take full advantage of that. That's what I'd recommend.
Mark, there's this new thing out there. It's catching on. It's called Uber.
Uber, it's great.
Yeah, Uber, Lyft,
too.
Yes, taxis.
And if it's your first time, you can get a free ride, too. So you got to do that.
Really?
Yeah, if you recommend someone, you get a free ride.
There you go.
All right.
So, yeah.
Cool.
So don't forget, Results Matters with attorneys Ed Ciarimboli and attorney Greg Fellerman. Guys, great to have you here.
Thank you.
See you next time. And if you have a question, just call the hotline or go to pahomepage.com.